Langfang JingDiao's CNC Machine Tool Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2010, is a wholly owned subsidiary of Beijing JingDiao Group Company Limited and a national high-tech enterprise dedicated to the production and manufacturing of precision CNC machining centers. Supported by the governments at all levels in Langfang City, Hebei Province, Langfang JingDiao has successfully completed a CNC machining center manufacturing base with international first-class level, which is a project covering an area of over 200,000 square meters. And new land has been purchased to build an extra intelligent production base for high-end 5-axis CNC machining centers with the building area of over 90,000 square meters. As the group's production and manufacturing base of finished machining centers, Langfang JingDiao has an annual production capacity of 2,000 to 3,000 medium-sized 5-axis high-speed machining centers and 3,000 to 5,000 large-size high-speed precision spindles, with revenue exceeding 1 billion yuan in 2021. Supported by a complete R&D and manufacturing system in Beijing and Hebei, Langfang JingDiao broke through the development bottleneck and successfully developed a precision high-speed machining center that aligns with the international first-class level, promoting JingDiao Group to participate in the competition of high-end CNC machining centers in the international and domestic markets, and enormously enhancing the large-scale digital precision machining capability of precision CNC machining centers in China. The operation of Langfang JingDiao is an important achievement of JingDiao Group's active response to the National Strategic Coordinated Development Policy of Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei and a leap in the development history of JingDiao Group. Cared and supported by governments at all levels, Langfang JingDiao has won a number of honors such as Hebei Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, National Advanced Collective in Mechanical Industry, Hebei Province Technology Innovation Demonstration Enterprise, and Langfang Industrial Design Center. For successfully completing a major scientific and technological achievement transformation project in Hebei Province in 2021, it won the title of Demonstration Enterprise of Single Item Champion in the manufacturing industry of Hebei Province. With efforts focused on its own core business and keeping long-term success in mind, in the future, Langfang JingDiao will strive to improve domestic high-end equipment technology and production capacity to promote high-quality development of China's manufacturing industry.